So I'm in the process of doing my doohickey on a 2016 KLR650. Pretty good tension left. It has 2,600 miles. So obviously not very much wear and tear on it. But thought I'd do it just in case. And I immediately noticed that this balancer lever was a lot beefier than I'd seen in the older KLRs. This being a 2016. Next to the Eagle mic part, you can tell instead of the weld, it's a one-piece lever. So in hindsight, if you have a 2016, I wouldn't bother getting the newer lever because it looks plenty good. Although I'm sure this has a tighter fit. Well, we'll see if we can get it to fit with the lower second case off. But I'm still going to do the torsion spring because that's a better design. But just thought you guys should know, 2016 KLR has a pretty decent balancer lever design. That was it.